Okay, so Panasonic this year are launching the new Smart HD concept is the main idea for this year, which is a new range of IP cameras and network video recorders. So the key features, things like lower network bandwidth, real-time face recognition, higher resolution. And I'll bring you around and show you the camera range. So specifically, this is showing the IP range, so there's a wide range of IP cameras. Launched this year, we have a new range of domes, new range of fixed cameras in the Smart HD range. So this includes megapixel recording, HD quality video, key features like face detection, which if I show you around this way, is our new range of Smart HD products and recorders. So we're launching a new range of Smart HD recorders, which I'll show you over here. The new range of recorders works intelligently with the Smart HD cameras. So for things like facial recognition, so triggering alarms when recognising certain faces or motion detection. And that's really the key message we're trying to put across this year for the Smart HD concept. In terms of other technologies, on the analog technology, we have our 4 and 8 channel recorders, so simple recording features, and we have our more intelligent, higher network recorders. So again, this is on the analog side, so this is using super dynamic technology. So again, intelligent video and recording. Another key feature, if I take you around to our software area. Another key message from Panasonic is the software platform we've developed. So where we've classed as hybrid solutions, so moving from analog to IP rather than the straight transition. The way that Panasonic can help move that across is with a virtual software platform, so a virtual matrix essentially, to be able to take your analog cameras using one of our new encoders, so the GXE500, so to be able to take the analog stream and put that onto an IP network. And the actual front-end control of it, so the software side of things, so the software control, intuitive video control, camera selection, and again makes a complete solution whether you are, when you're moving from analog to IP, whether that's a hybrid or moving to a full IP solution. So
what do you think? What's the newest market trends will be for the IP video? Just for example, does the compression like a H.264 reach it as well?
Yeah, the compression and storage side is for me more important than actually the trying to get higher and higher resolution. So once we get to 1.3 or 3 megapixel and we can get high definition 720p images, then actually the most important thing for installers is actually where they're storing that, how they're storing that, how they're retrieving the information, how they manage that video. So features that Panasonic have launched in their new range, for example, are variable resolution. So actually you can maybe select the resolution within that image. So a higher resolution only on the specific part of the image you need. The rest can be a lower resolution, therefore reducing bandwidth.
What do you think? Which the cameras will be best sellers of this year or next?
And the biggest trend we're seeing is very much in the domes, so fixed domes for internal or external use.
How about the resolution of the cameras? So will this year, for example, the megapixel or 2 megapixel full HD 720p overbeat the SD cameras?
720p is very much the resolution we're at the minute and where we see the market sitting, and certainly is shows within the new range. So. And
what do you think about the video standards, IP video standards like OnVIV or CA? So the Panasonic.
Yeah, you can see Panasonic is a member of OnVIV and is working closely.
Why OnVIV? Why not CIA?
It seems to be that the majority of the manufacturers are using supporting OnVIV, and certainly it's been directed from Japan. So,
what do you think about analytics? What are the trends in analytics?
Facial detection, facial recognition is a big
so
plus.
The camera will recognize the face?
The camera detects the face. The camera will detect the face. The recognition is done at the NVR. So the the new range of the cameras use them very much like the consumer style cameras, like your Lumix cameras. So when you are looking at taking a picture, it will recognise that faces exist, and what that will do with the intelligent recorders, that will then actually, if you can then recognise the faces to trigger alarms, to trigger specifically for retail applications. So
if to talk about analytics, what's the most potential technology? I mean, for example, you told the face recognition,
Yep.
or tracking, or left object, or
seems to be, we're covering all those areas, so lots of different elements of analytics people are looking to use. The new range does look at using object detection, object removal. Auto tracking is a very important feature.
So if to back to back, for example, for the face recognition, as we see on the most cameras, they looking from the top, so the most of the cameras don't see the face at all.
Yeah.
So how to use analytics in this case?
That comes down to the specification, how you're going to use the camera, really. So.
Okay. Anything else new from Panasonic?
That's the key messages from Panasonic this year. So.
Thank you very much.